Hello guys, my name is Anderson. Alright, in today's tutorial I will be showing you how to create this footer. Alright, in a website I will show you how to create this very footer, okay, in a few minutes. Alright, okay, the first thing we have here, we have a text here, a text layout, and we have a button. Then we have other icons, the social media icon, and subscribe button here also. Alright, now first thing we have to do here, we have to create, okay, let's also create a frame. Though this frame is, all we have to do first is create this text here. Alright, unsubscribe, hit on your T button, then come here to the settings. We have regular, I love Rubik, okay, regular, then Rubik, then hit enter. Then the next thing we have to do here, regular, okay, let it be regular. Okay, we can as well change it to semi bold. Let's see. Now you type your, okay, unsubscribed, okay, then write those things that you see on the screen. Unsubscribe, okay. Now let's take it, let's bring it down, not semi bold, let's just make it medium, or just regular is fine, okay. Then the next thing we have to do here, we have to create an auto layer, okay. Here make this one 0, we don't need it, and this one also make everything here 0, we don't need them for now, okay. Hit enter, okay. The next thing we have to do here is this small bar, okay. All right, come here, you can click on your line 2, holding your shift, click and hold your shift, draw a perfect line like this. All right, the next thing we have to do here is, okay, but we have to, the stroke, let's make it 2, okay. All right, is okay. Then all right, we wouldn't change the color for now. Then let's take it inside this, because it's already an auto layer. Let's take it inside. All right, we have the distance is far. If you check okay, let's take it inside, okay. Come here, click here, bring this one down, okay. The space between them and separate a little, maybe 2, okay. 2 is okay. All right, it's fine. So they are together now. So take this one to one part. Then the next thing we have to do here is this icon here. Now I'll show you a plugin to get these icons. Then right click on this plugin, then use icon search, then search for Instagram, okay. We have some here, bring it, click on it, we have it here. Then all right, Facebook, click on it, we have it here. Instagram, click on this one, we have that. Then click on search Twitter, then you have it, okay. You have it, click on it. All right, we are done. Now let's reduce. The next thing we have to do here, remove this square stuff. All right, how do you do that? Click on the icon inside, okay. Let's first of all do this, remove it, then have this one deleted, this one, right click again, let's use at this time font awesome. All right, let's use font awesome. Search Instagram, we have this, okay, that one is there. Then go back again, font awesome, we have Twitter. All right, Twitter, we have this. All right, okay, these are what we need for now. Now increase the size of the screen so that we'll separate them, okay. We have them here, bring this one together, Now check the size of this one. Look at the size here, 2520.3. all right, come here and adjust this one, 25, hit enter, 20.3, 20.3, hit enter. Okay, this is what we need. All right, let's check this also. We have, okay, 25, hit enter, 20.3. all right, this is what we need. Okay, all right, the one we need to do next is bring them together. Okay, click on this, hold your shift, click this, then your shift A, add auto layer. Now what, come here, let them be what, centered. all right, then here the space between them, reduce the space between them, reduce it. Okay, let's make it 20. all right, call them icon, enter. Okay, then connect with us. Come here again, click your, let's write this thing here, let's write connect with us, that is it, connect with us. Then all we have to do here is, okay, let's check the text. The text size here we have is 10. Let's check this one. The text size here is 10 also. Okay, which is okay. Now let's bring them together. Click on this auto layer, then hold your shift, click this also, then bring them together. First of all, you are going to create auto layer, shift A. Now auto layer has been added. Then make sure you center them. Then the space between them, you can see this space here is little. all right, we are going to reduce this one here. Okay, for you to do that, come here, you can see the space here, reduce it a little bit. Okay, all right, we have it this way. Okay, all right, this one is set, also. The next thing we have to do here, okay, all right, there's something, okay, we'll do that later. We add something else to it later. Okay, the next thing we have to do here is this text and this plugin. The next thing to do is this text and this button. Okay, now let's get some, copy it, duplicate it, bring it here, then here change the color, and all right, change the color to black. all right, then this, the button, let's create button. Come here again, pick your text, you can say start now. all right, now it is done. Okay, let's create the button. Auto layer has been added. Here, come here, reduce this one to 0. We don't need that. Also here, all right, let's reduce this one. Make sure your text is centered. Let's reduce this one, 5, make it 5. Also this place 5. Okay, is all right. Then the padding, okay, the padding is 5. Let's increase to 8 here. We have, okay, this one is 0, make this one 0, then make this one 8. all right, okay, 8, make this one also 4, just 4. Okay, is okay. all right, we can increase, give the horizontal padding, make it 10. Let's see, horizontal padding 10. Okay, we can make it 12. Let's see something. all right, 12 should be okay. all right, let's make it okay, this one is fine. all right, then the corner radius, make the corner radius 100. all right, then the color, add, fill it with this color here, fill it with the same color here. Then the text, change the text color to white. All right, now we've created this button. All right, that is that. This one is done. We are done with this. Then the next thing we have to do here, okay, we are not done yet. Let's create auto layer between this button and this text. Between the button and the text, let's create auto layer. Hold your shift key, then bring them together, then create auto layer. Shift A. Auto layer has been added. Okay, now make sure you center it the way it is here. Now is okay. Call this one text and button. Enter. Okay, we have it that way. Then the next thing we have to do here is this horizontal bar. This horizontal bar between the horizontal bar is between this. Okay, as I said earlier that I will come back to that. Now let's bring this one here. Let's bring this one here. We have text. Now there's an icon I want to bring here. All right, hold your shift and create auto layer. Shift A. Okay, all right, it's okay. You can call this one icon also. Icon. All right, it's okay. Okay, we are done. Have this one deleted. Delete that. We don't need that anymore. Okay, now the next thing we have to do is create this. Let's create these two lines. All right, let's create these two lines. Now by holding your come here, pick your line 2. Come here, pick your line 2. Drag, hold your shift. All right, okay. Now duplicate it. Control D. Bring it here. Duplicate it. Control D. Bring it down. Okay, bring it up a little bit. Okay, you are going to create auto layer. Click on this, hold your shift, click on this, hold your shift, click on this. Create auto layer, shift A. All right, come here. Let's change the distance between them, like this. It's okay. All right, then we'll change this one later. We'll change them to white because it's going to be on black background. Then this one is going to be at the top. Okay, let me bring this one down also. Bring it here. All right, bring that one there. Okay, all right, come here. There's something I want to show you. Come to this auto layer setting, come to this advanced setting. Come here, instead of pack, space between. That is all. Then come here, click on this part, drag it. Okay, all right. Also, we are going to give them a horizontal padding of 2 or 4. 4 is okay. All right, like that. Okay, the next thing we have to do here is, okay, let's bring this one in. We have this one now. Let's bring it down. All right, let's bring it down a little bit. Okay, all right, we are moving, we are almost done. Okay, the next thing we have to do here is, let's create an auto layer between these two. Hold your shift A, create an auto layer. Come here, the difference between them, what is this different? It's not too far. Let's reduce it somewhat like this. Okay, All right, like that. It's not too far. Let's increase a little bit. Okay, like that. Okay, okay, it's moving. Now let's bring this one in. Let's create an auto layer between this one, between this element and this. Hold your shift and bring it together. Create auto layer also. Shift A. Shift A. The difference between them, bring it out. Bring it out. All right, they are not too far. You can see here they are not too far away. All right, you can increase it a little bit. All right, this way. Okay, it's okay like this. It's okay like this. Now you can change the name to footer. All right. Okay, now we are not done yet. Now let's fill everything. Okay, let's fill it with black. Fill it with black. Okay, sorry, let's come to the fill, come add fill, change the color to black. All right, then the text here. Okay, before we do that, let's change the color. Before we do that, let's change this text, the text to white. Let's change it to white. Okay, there's reason for that, so we can change it anyway. We can change it. Let's change it to white. Okay, leave this one, change this one also to white, change this one to white, then change this one to white, change this one to white, change this one to white, change that one to white. The stroke, change the stroke to white, change the text to white. Okay, we are left with this. Now let's give it a fill. Now let's give it a fill, black. Okay, all right, there's something we haven't done. Okay, let's change this stroke to white. That's okay. Now the next thing you have to do here is the padding. Let's increase the padding. All right, let's give it off here, make it maybe 20. All right, up should be also 20. Let's give it a try. All right, it's okay. All right guys, footer is out. This is how to create footer in few minutes. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a valuable video, you'll be the first person to get notified. Thank you so much. Thank you.